Don't miss this well-upgraded 3/2/ townhouse in excellent condition that has a rare third-bedroom option, with built-in closet, or use it as an office den with double doors for work privacy. Family dining combo with storage closet, kitchen with serving counter and under-counter stone-look wall tile matching the above-counter backsplash. Includes dishwasher, microwave, range, refrigerator plus upstairs laundry washer and dryer, half-gassed bathroom downstairs, new ceramic tile downstairs and laminate floors upstairs, including the stairway, no carpets, back-covered patio onto inviting extended screened lanai with new floor tiles overlooking private and peaceful wooded conservation large master bedroom. With walk-in closet and master bathroom. Bedroom 2 also has a walk-in closet, ceiling fans, new AC air handler, brand new toilets, full access to all of FISHHAWK Ranch's amenities including gyms, pools, aquatic park, 20 miles of paved walking biking trails, tennis courts, playgrounds, parks, dog park, etc. Convenient community shops, restaurants and sports complexes. Best schools and family neighborhoods. Welcome home.